Hello, hi, namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. So I know you all must be wondering how to manage everything, right? School ka sessions and then online sessions. So the homeworks, assignments. So are you able to find time for yourself or for your family? So I feel this timetable might help you to cope up with everything. To function, in a smooth way. So because I have prepared a timetable for myself, because once we started working from home, it was different, it was difficult at the beginning, because I used to work till late night and used to wake up very late and used to skip meals and didn't have time for anyone. I couldn't call, I couldn't talk to my parents also properly, because I didn't know how to manage the time. So that timetable has helped me, and I'm sure this will help you too. So what is the perfect timetable for online classes? Of course, the timings and all will be different. So for different students, so that can be varied. But this is the general timetable which we feel will be helpful for you. So please wake up at least 2 hours before the class. So I have spoken to a few of my kids. So they say, like, Mom, we sleep very late, 12, and I'll wake up also very late, 10 o'clock. Then when will you actually have time for yourself, right? So please wake up at least 2 hours before the class. So reduce stress and fatigue. That is, like you can actually sit and read something, go through the newspaper. So just wake up at least 2 hours before the class, so that you will have enough time. So it won't be like bhag bhag bhag, this I have to do, this I have to do, this I have to do, this. No, there won't be any you don't have to do anything in a hurry, right? So drink 2 glasses of water, please. I say this in every session. Keep yourself hydrated. It is very, very, very important. Do a little exercise and stretching. See, so whole day we are just sitting in front of laptop. So for me, like I spend like almost 8 to 9 hours in front of a laptop, I guess. So very little exercise, because we are not stepping out, we are not going out, anything, right? So our body also needs some exercise. So if you wake up at least 2 hours before your classes, so you can do some exercises, stretching for at least 20 minutes, yoga, meditation, anything which will make sure that your day will go in a very nice manner. The meditation, it actually helps. So it's not about, in a spiritual way, it just makes you to focus on your day in a better manner, and you will realize that, acha, this is what I have to do. So you will have some time to prepare yourself for that day. A mindful meditation for 10 to 15 minutes, and please have a proper breakfast. Do not skip your meals. So sleep and meals are very, very important. Please never skip meals, and always get enough sleep, that is 7 to 8 hours. So before 9 a.m you can just have your breakfast and eat a proper breakfast. So go to your study table 15 minutes early, not like 5 minutes. Your teachers are taking attendance and you're like, Mom, I'm here. Okay, don't do that. Like, go to your study table 15 minutes early, and no mobile phone. So if you are taking your online classes through the mobile phone, it's okay. But if you are using the laptop, then please stay away from mobile phone, because it is full of distractions. So computer screen at eye level, don't sit like this, we'll have different postures, right? So especially when you're bored, when you're not like concentrating, so that is not at all good. So computer screen at eye level. So if you are using the mobile phone, you can use a tripod, so that the screen and you are on the same level. Posture is very, very, very important. And always keep your water bottle near you and drink at least 1 glass of water. That is, if your like online classes will go up to like 2 3 hours, right? So make sure that you are drinking enough water in between the classes, at least 2 to 3 liters. It is very, very, very important. So take some break. Of course, you will get break in between the classes. So take some break. Don't just sit in front of the laptop during the break also, or start using scrolling down the Instagram and all that. Don't do. Just walk around. Get some fresh air. Maybe you can or go talk to your plants or pets. So please take some break. Break doesn't mean playing on phone or laptop again. Try to stay away from the gadgets for at least 10 minutes during that break period. So self-study, so once you're done with the online sessions, school sessions, this self-study, it will include the other tuition classes or the online classes if you are taking. So you can just adjust the timings however you are okay with. So self study 2 to 3 p.m. and power nap. So try to take a nap between because your body also needs a proper break. So in between that 3 to 6 p.m. or you might have a session at 5 p.m. like you will be watching my session at 5 p.m., right? So then you can adjust the timings, and then please try to take a power nap. So this is what you have to do in a day. That's what I am telling. So the timings is up to you. Okay, so power nap for 20 to 30 minutes and work on your skills. If you love to sing or dance or paint, just take some time out in your day and do something which you really love. Trust me, it will just put you in a very good mood. So I do it every single day because so I live alone and I don't have anyone to talk to. Like, of course, I can call people, but this, reading or singing or sketching, it really makes me happy. So I do this every single day. At least I'll spend 20 to 30 minutes on the things which I really love. So protect perfect chill time, avoid your phone. So please don't spend time with your family or your pets. So do not use your laptop or the phone when you are like, relax and recharging. Okay, that period is meant for your body to get recharged. So try to stay away from your phone. Complete your assignments, then homework time. So again, the timings is this is the general timings which we have given. So it can be varied. So complete your assignments on that day itself so that you don't have to wake up early the next day and all that. Try to maintain that routine so that once your body gets adjusted to it, so it will be easy, the flow will be very smooth. And then self study, so 5 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. So you might attend the sessions on Vedantu platform or on YouTube or any other educational platforms. So that will be included in study self study time. So sometimes it might go up to 9:30 too. So and then have a nice dinner with your family, talk about like what did you do the whole day, how was your day, and ask them how was it. So try to open up to your family so you will really feel good. So spend time with your family. So once you're done, so check your distraction day. So what did you do on that day? And then maybe you can just see what is happening in the world, like maybe Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp. We all do it, right? And then prepare for the sleep, brush, and then like maybe you can just make a note, or you can thank you can be thankful for the events that has happened on that particular day. It will actually it feels nice, like okay, I'm thankful for this dash dash person for doing this, or I'm thankful to this teacher though he or she taught me this, so my day went very well because of this. So that will help you, or you can even set the goals or the targets for the next day. So you will sleep with a goal in your mind so that you will get up with something in your head, so that will help you to have a better day. So this is what are the things which we have been following, and it has given us a very good result. So I'm sure it will help you also. So thank you so much. This is the kind of perfect timetable to maintain, to manage everything which you have been going through, like online classes and the other online classes, tuition classes, competitive exams, courses, and all that. So I'm sure this will help you. But make sure that please drink enough water and sleep well, and always have the positive thought, because you should always stay happy. So this is about the timetable, but if you need a wonderful platform which will help you to gain 100% knowledge and score 100% marks, then Vedantu platform is the best one. So if you want to take up the pro subscription, you can visit the link given in the description and in the pinned comment. Or you can go to vdnt.in/ytpro. Why? What are the things you be getting if you take up the pro subscription? You can attend unlimited live classes, and where in every session you will have high level quizzes. You will be competing with the students throughout the world, And even if you're watching the replay also, then also you can play live quizzes, which is something which is not available on this platform, right? And whenever, of course, we all feel happy whenever we see our names on the leaderboard. That will motivate us to do better. So you can get the notes also, the handwritten notes of the master teachers, and the assignments will be shared with you every single day. Tests will be conducted regularly. Along with that, you will get some bonuses also, like free micro courses and crash courses for the competitive exams. So don't worry. The main focus will be on the doubt solving part. So you will have a master teacher and class teachers depending on the strength to ensure that all of your doubts are getting resolved. So sometimes, I won't be, as I'm alone, like I won't be able to answer all of your questions. That won't be done in our platform, like, in the during the session. So thank you so much. What you can do is use the coupon code SURPRO for additional 20% discount. Yes, less is more. That is if you take up the 3 months subscription, so you will be saving more as you're attending more number of sessions. So that is it. Yes, the coupon code is SURPRO. Thank you so much for watching this session. And if you're here for the first time, you can always subscribe to the channel. Come on, it's free, no? So like and share this video and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from our channel. You can even join the Telegram group for all the updates. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.